How to start page numbering from a specific page. So if you want to start the page numbering from a specific page in your Word, so first you need to open up your Word document. Now, once you open up your Word, what you need to do is just simply go with a page from where you would like to add your page number. So I'll just simply choose this one. Now you need to go with the first statement. And once you click on here, you need to go with layout. And under layout, you need to go with breaks and go with next page. And after that, go with insert. And under insert here on the right side, you will have page number option. Just go with page number. And you can select bottom of the page, top of the page, or page margins like that. So for example, I'll be just choosing bottom of the page. Click on it and select the style. So I'll just choose this one. And here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the page number, right? And after that, what you need to do is just simply go with the page number, which is right here, and go with format page numbers. Now you need to go with start at, and here you need to write 1 and then go with OK. And you can see that this page has been named as 1. So if you go with the upper side, here you can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, here you will have 1, which is section 2. So that's how you can start page numbering from a specific page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.